Hey guys, it's Marie Antoinette, your Tastefully Simple consultant, and I am so excited that you are here and you want to learn how to make my ribs. Now, I'm going to tell you the ingredients on how to make the rub because I accidentally deleted the footage. Yeah, I can't believe I did that. But it's like so super easy. Grab a pen and a paper and get down these ingredients. You will need a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of the ultimate steak seasoning, and you'll need 2 tablespoons of the onion. Now, if you're gonna go shopping, you might as well throw in a couple of onions because almost everything that I cook has onion, except for dessert. Anyway, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna combine those 3 ingredients in a bowl and mix it all together. Once you have it all together, then you're going to rub it on your ribs. This is the most important part. Do you have to keep it marinated? No. Does it hurt if you keep it marinated? No, it doesn't. But if you're making your ribs in the Instant Pot, remember that the pressure and steam is going to intensify the flavor. I love this. Now, a couple of people have asked me questions about the ultimate steak seasoning. If it is spicy, the answer is it has pepper in it, but I don't think that it's spicy. My kids are able to eat it and they have very sensitive tongues. Now, of course, if you add more ultimate pepper than just the 1 tablespoon, it's gonna get super spicy. So let's roll this footage so you can see what happens after you rub that rib full of these 3 amazing ingredients. After combining the brown sugar, the ultimate steak seasoning, and the onion seasoning, pour 1 cup of beer. I used Foster's. Make sure you put your rack inside and then layer your ribs in the pot. It's okay for you to stack them. They will get cooked. I'm using a 6-quart Instant Pot. Pour 2 tablespoons of the Smoky bacon barbecue sauce on top. Close and lock your Instant Pot. Set the cooking time for 25 minutes and the natural pressure release is at 10 minutes. When the natural pressure has been released, you open it up, place your ribs on a baking sheet lined with aluminum foil and set your oven on broil. Baste the ribs with the Smoky bacon barbecue sauce and broil for 5 minutes. Oh my gosh, doesn't that look so delicious? Well, let me tell you, it is. It is so amazing. Those were the best ribs I think I have ever made in my lifetime. And you know what the crazy thing about it? It was so full of flavor and I didn't use the entire bottle. There's still enough for another 2 racks of ribs. Now, if you'd like to get your hands on the Smoky barbecue bacon sauce, the onion, or the ultimate steak seasoning, in the description you will find my links. And if you'd like to taste these foods and earn foods for absolutely free, contact me to learn more about hosting a party. I do online parties and I do in-home tasting parties here in Virginia. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe because you know I may just make some other amazing recipe that you're gonna want to know, trust, and love. Thanks so much for watching.